Hey my darlings, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you this delicious cabbage stew. Okay, this is 100% keto friendly, and yeah, this recipe was shared with me by someone who is on a weight loss journey, and I was so happy to create this, and it was so good. So I'll be sharing it with you, and if this is something you would like to watch or you would like to learn, go ahead and watch till the end. Okay, so I have all of the ingredients here. I have bay leaf, thyme, black pepper, ginger. I have scotch bonnet. I have tomato paste, a bit, just 1 tablespoon. I have my minced beef. I have a bowl of cabbage already blended. Just you can chop with your hands. Okay, I use my food processor for easy work. Okay, I have onions. I have 2 cubes of seasoning. I have some curry powder over there. So this is very simple, and as you can see, the ingredients are quite minimal. Before I forget, guys, if this is the first time coming to my channel, you are very welcome, and to all my OGs, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for leaving me your comments, likes, and sharing my videos. Those means a lot to me. I really love it, and thank you so much for doing just that. So as you can see, I've added the 2 tomato in the grinder. I've added my onions. I'm going to add my tomato paste, and what I'm going to do next is to give this a good blend. Okay, so as you can see, the mixture is blended, and now it's time to proceed to making the stew. This is quite simple, but it's amazing how tasty it was. This is my first time trying any of this cabbage stuff, and yeah, I really liked it. It came out really good. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to mix all of the spices together. I'm going to try to mix it together, and I'll be using half of them to marinate my beef, my minced beef, and I'll be using the other half later on the cooking process. Okay, so yeah, I'm just adding the seasoning cubes right in there. I'll also chop the second onion. I'll be using it later as well. So I'm just trying to mix up all of the spices, and I'll divide it, and you see what I use them for. Stir fry my beef, but before that, let's get some onions to fragrance. I'm going to add my second onions right inside this oil, and I'm going to stir it until fragrance. Next, I'll add my beef, and I'll stir this until well cooked. Okay, this will take something around 5 to 10 minutes. Just keep stirring so it doesn't burn, but you want to do this until your beef is completely cooked. Once your beef is cooked, take out of the pan or skillet, whatever you're using, and this time get your skillet or pan back on the stove. Add your blended pepper mix. Okay, so once you add this, just allow it to simmer until it reduces in size, until all of the water has dried up. So just go ahead and allow that simmer in low heat. Once your pepper mix look like so, go ahead and add another tablespoon of vegetable oil. Remember I mentioned earlier we are using vegetable oil twice in this recipe. So next you want to add the rest of the seasoning that we separated or we shared. So go ahead and add it, give it a good mix, and then allow it to simmer some more. You will know your sauce is ready when it looks like so, and at this point go ahead and add your chopped cabbage. Like I said, I use my food processor for this. You can always use your knife, like chop it in a smaller bit and enjoy. So you're going to add your cabbage and you're going to give this a good mix. Okay, make sure all of the sauce is well mixed with the cabbage. Once that is done, cover slightly and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. Now this is what we are talking about, guys. Once your cabbage look like so, the next thing to do is to add your deliciously seasoned beef. Okay, go ahead and add your beef, and once you add your beef, see, this thing just changed automatically. Everything became yummy. I have always wondered what weight loss or anyone in this weight loss journey, what they eat, as in how they enjoy their meal, if everything tastes just like water. But guys, when I started making food for someone in this journey, I know for a fact that this thing tastes so good. Like all of their meal tastes so good. Guys, see what we created. Like this is so good. You can merge it with yams, you can eat with rice, you can eat, I don't know, but when I tasted this, I can tell for sure that this is premium enjoyment. Like it was so good. If you'll be trying this, let me know in the comment section. I really 100% recommend it. Go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think. As per always, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching.